Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the PandaDoc app in your sub account. Let's get started. At the level of App Marketplace, you search for the app and then you go at the install, allow and install, and then you provide the API key. There you go. Continue, and you have success. It means the tool is already installed. Now you can just go at the custom page to access the tool. Don't forget to refresh. Scroll down and we have here PandaDoc. You have the documentation here. You got the tutorials. You can access Smart Queue showing how to get the API key. You have the video tutorial showing you how to set up the app. And here you can, of course, check the status of the app, whether it's connected or not. If it's not connected, you just have to get it connected. And then you have the documentation here showing you all the steps you're supposed to follow in order to set up the app. That's pretty much it, guys. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. Our support team is available 24/7 to answer to all your inquiries. Thank you for watching, guys.